Alright, this is the progress so far on the Trommel. We got these two bars welded on, and then we just have to tack this on, put the sides on, put the spray bar around that, and got the sprocket on, got the chain on there ready to go, and I just mounted this today. For the water pump hooks to this. This valve goes to the bar through the drum, and this valve goes to the spray bar on the hopper. Alright, so here's the progress so far on the Trommel. We got half of the holes in the entire Trommel put in. We got this thing put together. It's not welded on yet, just sitting there, but we got to tack it on and then figure out from there and get it welded. Spray bar for the hopper is going to go across from there to there. And we got this thing welded up, which is going to go underneath there to lift the front end up for the elevation there. And then after that, we just once this is all put on, then we have the sprocket and the engine to get all lined up. Alright, so we just got the hopper tack welded on. Just a few tacks, so it's not permanently welded yet, but tack there and tack over there. And it's just floating above in the Trommel. So you can spin it.
Good work.